Good noon to all. This is Nidhi Ghetia. Today we discuss about the carboxylic acid. So, in carboxylic acid, we learn about the introduction, classification, nomenclature, and preparation of the carboxylic acid. So, first we learn about the carboxylic acid. So, what is carboxylic acid? A carboxylic acid is an organic compound that having a COOH group. So COOH group it itself made up of carbonyl group and hydroxyl group. So what is carbonyl group? C double bond O, that's carbonyl group. And then hydroxyl group, so OH group is a hydroxyl group. So general formula of the carboxylic acid is a COOH. And then any alkyl group attached with a carboxylic acid is a RCOOH group. That's called general formula of the carboxylic acid. And then classification. So classified in a two class, aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic is a chain structure or any alkyl structure in their alkyl structure with COOH group. And then aromatic acid is a aromatic ring with COOH group. That's two type of the carboxylic acid, aliphatic or aromatic. It can be further classified as a mono, di, tri or carboxylic acid, depends upon the number of the carboxyl groups. And then nomenclature. So what is nomenclature? It is a naming system of the structure, carboxylic acid structure. For IUPAC nomenclature, for IUPAC naming system, this acid derived from the name of alkane containing the same number of the carbon atom as the acid. So first alkane ring on the basis naming on the basis of the alkane carbon ring, and then ending with alkane ending with E and carboxylic acid ending with the noic acid. So suffix is replaced, E is removed, and then oic acid is replaced. So methane, methanoic acid, propane, propanoic acid. For common name, it is a name on the basis of the source from which it was isolated. So butyric acid, so isolated from butyrum, it's called butter. And then formic acid is derived from the formica, then that means ant. Then preparation of the carboxylic acid. So first preparation is on the basis of on the oxidation of the alcohol. So primary alcohol and aldehyde are oxidized to corresponding their carboxylic acid. So oxidizing agent like potassium dichromate is used. First primary alcohol, aldehyde, both are oxidized, and then we make the carboxylic acid. Second one is a Grignard reagent. So we get the first Grignard reagent react with the carbon dioxide in the presence of dry ether, and then one complex formation, and then adding a H2O and H plus ion and making the carboxylic acid, and 1 mgx magnesium halide is removed. And then on the basis of the hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide, the alkyl cyanide or nitrile on the acid or alkaline hydrolysis formed carboxylic acid. So we take the alkyl cyanide, H2O is adding and H plus ion also adding, then one molecule of the carboxylic acid and ammonia is removed. And then hydrolysis of ester on boiling with the concentrated NaOH sodium hydroxide give the NA salt of the acid, and salt when treated with the dilute HCl then give the carboxylic acid. First ester form ethyl acetate plus NaOH. heat, both are heated, so one complex are formed. Salt of the acid as CH3COO, that is a salt of the acetate, and then one ethanol are removed, and then that salt of the acetate plus HCl, and we gets the one acetic acid, and Na are removed, and then H are replaced with Na, and Na attached with Cl, so NaCl salt are removed. And then from malonic acid, alkyl halide treated with the sodium derivative of the diethyl malanoate to give substituted malonic ester, and this undergoes hydrolysis when decarboxylation to give the acid. So first one alkyl halide, and then one diethyl malanoate we gets, and then NaX like sodium halide are removed, and alkyl group attached with a diethyl malanoate, and then H2O and H plus are added and CO2 are removed, so we get the carboxylic acid. And then carboxylation of the alkane Koch reaction. In this reaction, alkene is heated with carbon monoxide, and steam undergoes pressure at 300 to 400 degrees Celsius, either 573 to 673 Kelvin, in the presence of the phosphoric acid as a catalyte. Phosphoric acid is a catalyte agent. So ethene plus CO, carbon monoxide plus H2O, in the presence of catalyte, that is phosphoric acid, and we get the propionic acid. Thank you to all.